Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick update on my one investment that actually is in the green. So that's kind of nice to see. It's the Wealthsimple Venture Fund. If people have been following on the channel, I do updates on this one basically monthly when the dividends roll through. So let's just jump into the portfolio. I'll show you the dividends that have been received from the Wealthsimple Venture Fund and just a little update on what's actually happening with the Wealthsimple Venture Fund. Let's just jump right into it. All right, here we are in the Wealthsimple app. Now it looks a little bit different. We're using the Wealthsimple Invest side of the app, not the trade app. I just find this does work a little bit better when you're looking at your investments on the Wealthsimple Invest side, just in case you're wondering why it looks a little bit different. So as of right now, our balance, and we know if we put in the original deposit was $5,000, and now we're sitting at $5,407.44, and we are actually up 8.2%, which is nice considering the market right now. The increase with this is obviously with the strength of the US dollar. This is sitting in a ETF called PSU. It is the Purpose High Interest Savings US account. What it does is it holds US funds in Canadian financial institutions, and it's like a high interest savings account. The yield right now, I just checked on their website, it's paying about 3.28%. So we'll see that come through. It calculates interest daily and then pays monthly, much like a regular savings account. And we got our dividends paid monthly out on this account. So we'll show you the history. We can go into here and we can actually see if we go down and hit see all, we did receive a dividend yesterday of $12.08 received from PSU.U. Now what will happen if we go back here to the plan, if we scroll down, we can see, and what that does is it doesn't invest it right away. What it will do is actually hold it in cash, and we right now have $36.34 in a cash position, with the remainder 99.3% of the account in the US in that ETF. Now what will happen, I believe Wealthsimple will probably roll that into another deposit. That's what happened last time after the balance was up to about $30 or so. So I expect next week to probably get reinvested into the PSU ETF. Going forward. Now, update a little bit on the venture fund, and a few people have asked, am I happy with it? Yes, because it has increased, 8.2% with the strength of the US dollar. But what other people have asked is what's happening with it? Now, what I heard last time was from other people was that the capital was going to be invested out of it into basically at the start of this quarter. Now, nothing's happened so far, but I'm actually fairly happy right now with sitting in cash with this. So we'll see what happens. I think Wealthsimple probably is wanting to raise a bit more capital in this. Just with the market, the way everything's going, they probably didn't get the allocation that they were probably expecting on this venture fund, but happy to have it sit in a high interest savings account, giving me 3.28% return, and also the gain of the US dollar, which coming up is right now up 8.2%. Pretty happy about. So that's just a quick update on the Wealthsimple Venture Fund. If you are invested in this, let me know down in the comments below. Let me know how you feel about it. If you're happy about it, or what's happening with your portfolio? And if you've actually heard any news from Wealthsimple. I haven't reached out to them, partly because if the portfolio is up, why mess with it? Why ask? I'm just kind of happy to get those returns in the short term anyway. So that was that's my reasoning for being happy with that. Now on that note, we are just over 1,000 subscribers on the channel if you haven't watched the video in a while. So thanks to everybody that has been following along, subscribing. Really appreciate it. That was nice to see the channel is growing, much like the portfolio. Slow and steady wins the race. So on that note though, I've been starting to do more live streams. So if you haven't been able to join me on a live stream yet, we have a lot of fun. Typically go on weekdays between 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock Pacific time. I'm on the West Coast, so it'd be great to have you join along if you're able to. Now, if you want to be notified when there is a new live stream going, I do post them ahead of time on my channel. So make sure you're subscribed, but also turn on that notification bell. You'll get notified, and it will give you a reminder that a live stream is starting. So maybe you can just drop in and say hi. Might have a question. It'd be great to have you follow along. That's all, everybody. Just a quick update on the venture fund. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you all in the next video.